Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to implement a super clean and responsive light-dark theme switcher in your Django project, and I'll walk you through it line by line so we understand exactly what's happening behind the scenes. By the end of this video, you'll be able to toggle between light and dark mode, save the user's preference in their browser, and make your Django app look modern and dynamic using just JavaScript, Bootstrap, and a little HTML. That being said, let's jump right in to step 1, which is adding Bootstrap icons and theme initialization. First, inside the head of your base HTML file, add the Bootstrap icon style sheet. We'll be using a sun and the moon icon for theme toggle. This line brings in Bootstrap's icon font. Without it, our toggler won't display any icons at all. Next, just below that, we're adding a small script that checks for the user saved theme and applies it before the page even renders. Here's what it does. We use a immediately invoked function expression, also known as an IIFE, to run this code as soon as the page loads. It checks local storage for a saved theme, and if none is found, it defaults to light. Then it sets the data BS theme attribute on the root HTML element, which tells Bootstrap which theme to apply. This way, your page doesn't flash light before going dark if the user prefers dark mode. And I'm speaking from experience here because this gave me a little headache. Jumping on to step 2, which is create the theme toggle button. Alright, so inside your navbar, you shall drop this snippet. Where? It's easy. The A tag is just a clippable wrapper with JavaScript void 0 so it doesn't reload the page. It has an ID theme toggle so we can target it later in the JavaScript, and inside it there is an I tag for the icon which will also update dynamically. It starts out empty and the icon gets inserted later based on the theme. Alright, now let's get into the JavaScript, the part where the actual fun begins. So, we wait until the document is fully loaded before running anything. We select the toggle icon, the inner icon element, and the navbar, and then the applyTheme function does the heavy lifting. It updates the theme on the page, database theme, and it changes the navbar classes so the navbar matches the theme. It updates the icon so we have a sun if we're in dark mode and the moon if we're in light mode. Then we load the stored theme and apply it immediately, right here. When the user clicks the toggle, we detect the current theme, we switch it to the opposite one, and save it to local storage, then apply the change instantly. Maybe this line can seem a little bit confusing, but it's just syntax, so here is condition, value if true, and value if false. With that being said, I think there you have it, a fully functional theme switcher in Django using just JavaScript and Bootstrap. It looks clean, works across sessions, and doesn't require any backend logic or models. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to go one step further and sync the theme with user settings or animate the transitions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified when I drop more Django and Python tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.